Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif. Today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make a brush effect portrait. Okay, let's start. Go to the file and then new. Just take the canvas 2560 and 1440, 300 pixel per inch, and hit the create button. You'll get a canvas, and then go to the file and then open up image. This image I downloaded from the unsplash.com stock image. I'll give you the image download link. Okay, just drag the image and drop here. After that, press Ctrl T and press Ctrl 0 and just drag it smaller, make it smaller. Okay, hit the tick button and just select all the things by pressing Ctrl A and make it in the center. Ctrl D for deselect and close these. Okay, after that make it smart object or convert to smart object and go to the filter and then filter gallery. Press Ctrl O for the fit with the skin, and you can make it just customize this one, age. Okay, you can make it just a little bit. The age thickness 6, this one is age intensity 1 or 0.5. 1 is good, and hit the OK button. After that, just go here and make it skin, hit OK. After that, go to again the filter gallery, press Ctrl O for fit with the skin and apply another effect. This effect is good. Make it zoom and give some the brush size, give the brush detail and texture also. 1, 3, 8 and 1. Okay, hit the OK button. After that, make it mask and press Ctrl I for inverse mask. Inverse mask is for the black. This one, the screen is just gone, that's why I'll make it the white portion. At first make it reset and then make it white, and go to the brush palette, choose a brush from here. I have some brushes. I'll give you the download link of this brush. Okay, just press once and you'll get this appearing your subject. Okay, here is some brushes. I'll apply those brushes. You can change the brush, the palette. You can take the big different types of brushes. Okay, that's good. And go to the brightness and contrast, make it mask and just make the brightness a little bit down and give some contrast. Okay, after that select the background layer and go to the file and then place embedded, and here is the canvas or paper and just place here and make it bigger, hit the OK button. And this paper, make it the restylize the layer and go to the filter and camera raw filter and give some clarity, give some amount of sharpness and hit the OK button, and make it group by pressing Ctrl G and make it multiply. This group is the portrait, this group is the paper, and this is background. And just make the group by pressing Ctrl G and make it merge and go to the filter and camera raw filter. from the camera filter you can reduce the highlight, give some contrast, give some blacks, and go to the camera calibration, make it like that, give some saturation of the green or the things, make it sharpness and luminance, and the effect like that. Hit the OK button. That's all for today. The brush effect portrait, it's look like that. Some just this one is a canvas and you just paint a watercolor, use the watercolor and paint the portrait. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friend, and if you want to get the more amazing video, do comment on my video section, and don't forget to check it out my video description and other videos. Me ASM Arif signing out till the next video. Bye bye.